Are you looking for the best waterproof Bluetooth speakers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best waterproof Bluetooth speakers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. JBL Flip 3 Splash-Proof Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This blue Bluetooth speaker can connect up to 3 smartphones or tablets. With up to 10 hours life, you can enjoy longer time in enjoying your favorite music. In addition to its features, this speaker has built-in noise and echo-canceling ability for crystal conference calls. With this speaker, you can wirelessly link multiple JBL connected enables speakers together to amplify the listening experience. This speaker is called a flashproof because you can even clean it with running water. Want a color that suits to your personality? No worries, this waterproof Bluetooth speaker are available 8 vibrant colors. Like any other Bluetooth speaker, this JBL Flash 3 is a versatile one. It has many great features and abilities to give convenience to its users. With many different colors available, this Bluetooth speaker is a good choice. Lastly, when it comes to Bluetooth speakers, the battery life should be our number one consideration. This speaker reaches up to 10 hours life capacity. Number 4. JBL Charge 3 Waterproof Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Say hello to the new color of your JBL Bluetooth speaker. This camouflage speaker produces a good sound and bass. You can also connect to its JBL-enabled Connect to create your own kind of environment and enjoy it with your friends. You can wirelessly stream your music through any Bluetooth device. Another feature of this waterproof Bluetooth speaker list is it enables you to charge your device. This is a versatile speaker which is perfect for any event or gateway. If you want to answer a call without skipping a bit, you can freely do it with its built-in microphone. You will not worry about the rain or spills. This speaker can even survive even if submerged in water. This can be a perfect gift for your friend who likes camouflage colors. This speaker is not just waterproof, but it has also many features which make it stands out. Just like other Bluetooth speakers, this JBL Charge 3 waterproof can be your ideal gadget. Perfect for any event, you can now sing your favorite pop using this speaker anywhere and anytime. Number 3. JBL Pulse 3 Wireless Bluetooth IPX7 Waterproof Speaker. This colorful waterproof Bluetooth speaker list has a dimension of about 7 by 5 by 10 inches and weighs about 3.8 pounds. Very lightweight and portable, you can bring this Bluetooth speaker anywhere you want to. Wirelessly connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets and take turns playing music with exceptional 360-degree sound. This is a speaker that can bring you great atmosphere because it has customizable 360 degrees light show. It has built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that gives up to 10 hours playtime and light show. With just a touch of a button, you can clearly answer your phone with its noise cancellation feature. With its IPX7 waterproof technology, you can enjoy using your Bluetooth speaker even during the rain. If you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker that has a versatile ability, maybe this is the one. It can provide quality sound plus quality light show at the same time. Since it is lightweight and portable, you can bring this speaker anywhere you want to. Just like the other Bluetooth speakers, this one works well. It gives satisfaction and convenience to almost all of its users. Number 2. Alltech Lansing IMW477 Mini Life Jacket Bluetooth Speaker Waterproof. Compared to other outdoor waterproof speakers, this one is different when it comes to its physical feature. However, this speaker has many technical abilities which makes it great and could able to satisfy its users. It has product dimension of about 2.5 x 2 by 6 inches and a weight for about 14.4 ounces. It is audio line input, USB chargeable and mountable as well. This is easy to bring with you. Although this is just a typical type of speaker, it is waterproof, sandproof and floats in the water. It has a charging time of about 3 to 4 hours while its life can reach up to 10 hours of playtime. It has also voice confirmation and onboard microphone for a clear and hands-free communication. With its physical look, this speaker may be simple, but checking at its other features you'll find AMZ with this speaker. This is very perfect for outdoor activities and getaways. If you wanted to have some music companion in the beach, this should be part of choice. Number 1. JBL Flip 4 Waterproof Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. This bundle includes 2 items, a speaker and a car charger. This speaker enables you to bring and enjoy anywhere and anytime. With total dimension of 9 by 6.4 inches, this black speaker will let you experience great sound. It has JBL bass radiator that makes the bass extra clear. Another feature of this speaker is the JBL Connect Plus. This enables you to link more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers together to amplify the party. You can also access to Siri and Google with this speaker because of its voice assistant integration feature. It is made from lifestyle materials such as durable fabric and rubber housing, which is ready to any adventure. This speaker that can last up to 12 hours of continuous sound is available with 6 vibrant colors. With many colors available, I am sure that you will find your best choice in this JBL Flip 4 speaker. Like others, it is rich in great features and abilities that satisfy its users. It also meets the number 1 standard of many users, which is made from great and durable material. When it comes to its basic abilities, this speaker will not accept any doubts. It is an excellent speaker with good standard that will surely amaze you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.